ka-friendship, today's video ay magluluto tayo ng Bicol Express pero hindi tayo gagamit ng gata. Okay? So, bakit hindi tayo gagamit ng gata? Sa hindi pa nakakaalam ka-friendship, ako ay isang CKD patient, so bawal sa akin ang gata dahil mataas ang potassium content nito. So, hinanapan natin ng paraan, instead na gata, gagamit tayo ng evaporated milk. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the rock and roll. And here are the ingredients. Do first ka-friendship, sa isang preheated pan, maglagay tayo ng cooking oil. Ayan. And then after that, idagdag at isutay natin ang ating luya. Pwede na natin idagdag ang ating garlic. And then after that, ang ating sibuyas. And at this point, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating pork. Ayan. And then, isi-season natin ng salt saka pepper. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-friendship hanggang sa maging golden brown yung ating pork. Okay, so balikan natin siya later. Ayan, okay na yan ka-friendship ang ating pork. So what we're going to do next is, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng tubig. Just to make sure na maluto yung ating pork. And sa pagdagdag ng tubig, the boiling the better. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin dyan ang ating pork ka-friendship hanggang sa maluto. Okay, balikan natin siya later. Ayan na po ka-friendship, luto na yung ating pork. So, what we're going to do next is, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating evaporated milk. Ayan. And then, ang ating siling haba. Okay? So, hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-friendship hanggang sa mag-evaporate ng kaunti yung ating evaporated milk. Okay? Balikan natin siya later. Okay? So, ayan. Okay na yung ating evaporated milk ka-friendship. Ayan. Tikman natin kung okay na yung kanyang lasa. So, ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our Bicol Express na walang gata. Okay? So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Luto na siya. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating Bicol Express na walang gata. Okay? So, garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. Ayan. At saka dagdagan pa natin ng siling haba. Okay, so ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating Bicol Express na walang gata for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember, never stop doing little things to others. Those things occupy the biggest part of their hearts. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.